Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where can you find that section to which you can upload your video profile on the Naukri Job Search application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the profile button down below in the right side corner of the screen, and then click on profile at the top. After that, you should scroll down to this video profile section. As you can see, you can record your video profile now. So as you tap on it, you can see how it looks like. And as you go back, you can tap on this record now button. Then you should tap on open settings in order to allow the application to have access to your camera. So search for the app, which is Naukri. So tap on camera, and as you go back to the app, you can tap on this record now button, tap on OK to allow the app to have access to your camera. And as you can see, it says communicate well, have a good screen presence and maintain eye contact. If you are done, you can tap on this red button down below and you will be able to start recording your video. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.